yes, yes. No dramas. G'day guys, welcome back to another Ross Reviews, and behind us we have got a beautiful GTS in Alchemy, and we're in the Hollywood of the Gold Coast, Sovereign Island. We're with Andrew, and Andrew, mate.
Nice to meet you, John.
Thanks for coming on the channel, and tell us a little bit about your GTS, because this thing is beautiful.
Okay, so Alchemy, as you said, in GTS they only made 20 in that colour, and it was dropped for 14, 15, 16, 17, so it only actually came out in the 13-year model.
Yeah.
And it's also got the 507 walkinshar package. As any of the GTS owners know, the brakes tend to go a little bit chalky, the paint, so that had to be redone. I also have added the later model HSV wheels. They're the rapier ones, so I put them on, just upgraded a little bit, and yeah, that's about it.
Yeah, you've just done some subtle mods, which makes it your own a little bit.
Yep,
so.
I put coilovers on as well. I took the MCS.
It is very low in the back, but I like it.
Yeah, so do I. Yeah, they all sit too high. I think every car in the world needs to be dropped 2 inches, and you know, and
you gotta have that level stance. Yeah,
absolutely.
That little slight tuck.
Yes.
So yeah, mate, let's fire this beast up, and then we'll go for a bit of a drive.
Okay.
That is what it's all about with those LSAs, eh?
Absolutely.
It's just...
doesn't get any better.
That noise. That is just so good. You really hear that bimodal exhaust too, open up.
Yeah, absolutely. Mate, I'm proud to drive this down the road.
Absolutely,
I really
you should be.
Like any other cars, a Corvette, you know, it's not a bad C5, you know, convertible, Millennium Yellow, pretty bright looking car.
Yeah, cool. Yeah,
looks pretty good driving down the road, and the Ferrari, the F430, it's nice, but yeah, they haven't got the feel that this has got.
There's something about driving an Aussie car in Australia, and especially a VF too, a GTS at that.
Yeah,
they're highly sought after.
Yeah, no, I'm very proud to drive down the road, and I'm sure that, you know, when Holden shut, you know, I'm sure, well, Holden and HSV obviously. Yep. Well, building these, they, I think it was a very sad day, and an even sadder day for them.
Oh, absolutely.
You know, imagine putting all these together by hand and everything.
Yeah.
You know, that would have been, you know, workers would have been so proud to do that.
Oh, they were, you know. I've had actually a lot of people who watch the channel who used to be ex-employees at the assembly plant.
Okay.
I've had a few cool comments of stories about it, and interesting facts and things like that. So yeah, if there are any guys watching, leave a comment down below. Yep. It's it's. I think people had a lot of pride. Yeah. With these, you know, they were absolutely. They were.
And I think the GTSR and the W1's even more so.
Absolutely.
You know,
I'll tell you, this is definitely one of those Aussie cars that it's gonna be looked back as forever a hero car. Like the VF, when they first came out with the GTS and the VF, the LSA, in a manual, like this was you know. Oh, man.
That's a bit rough.
Got the coilovers on that,
yeah. You're lucky to put them on.
Mate. It just wants to go, though, doesn't it? You know, it just when you hear that little whine creep in, and then it's just like...
I'd rather drive this than my Ferrari.
It just eggs you, man. It just eggs you to drive, doesn't it?
Yep.
It's a pure driver's car.
Yes, that's for sure.
in the driver's seat now, Andrew.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm sure not too many people have sat in this side other than you,
no,
but
not too many. I've seen you driving anyway,
man,
Jono, so yeah.
I am familiar with them, and mate, they're just there's something about this thing, especially the GTS in this VF. It's just, you get it past that 4,000, you can hear the exhaust valves open, that whine start to creep in.
Yep, all starts to open up.
Yeah, and in a manual, it's just really how it was built for. Like, it was designed to be a manual, this car.
Yeah,
like,
absolutely.
It's...
Well, I've got a VE Ute and SS 6-litre 6-speed, and the VF is really another...
It's on another level, level. It's on another plane.
Yeah. Like the VF R8s, GTSs, Club Sports, they're really the best cars this country has ever and will ever produce.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can just hear it, and even the brakes, you know, you have how much confidence you have when you hit the pedal, like it really eases this thing down.
Yep. They did everything right with these, they really did.
They really did, man. Yeah, it's really a shame we didn't get to build off this platform anymore.
Yes.
Now we're just continually bombarded with cheap Chinese EVs and hybrid rubbish. Yeah, and it's amazing as well, like, to see America start to look at these now. And Aussie's watching this. You got to hold on to them because, mate, they're buying them and they're taking them over there. So you got to be careful. Like, all the people complaining, it's like, don't sell it. These are forever cars. Like this thing, this is this thing's got to be going with you all the way, mate, because it's beautiful condition. I think you said, like, what, 60, I think it's got 60,000 Ks, like very low.
Yeah, that's not as low as a GTO.
Yeah,
it's only got 2300, but it's good. It's a good mileage to be in. It's a good sort of window because 63 or 73 doesn't really make too much difference. So got a bit of, you know, bit of leeway there.
Yeah, I never passed up an opportunity to see one of these things and go for a cruise because they're just so nice. Yeah, just that pull there, it's just, and then again, you know, you just heel toe these things so easy.
Yep. Yeah, grab up and drive it.
And it just goes, you know, just kicks off. And then you know, you got the beautiful interior, the styling, the LSA, the, you know, the big motor, 6.2. It was the package. This was. Oh, Andrew, look, this is such a beautiful example, beautiful car. Thanks for bringing it on the channel, letting us have a drive.
My pleasure, absolutely, anytime we'll.
Yeah, and I know you've got quite a beautiful collection. So next time I am down, we'll have to get a few more on the channel because
we'll do the Turismo Blue GTO. You'll like
the GTO is gorgeous.
The Ferrari.
I love the Ferrari, and even that C5 I think is beautiful. Yeah, that deserves a feature for sure. There's some interesting facts even I didn't know about. So
the hydroforming of the chassis rails.
Yes, that's it. So
unbelievable.
That's the GTS, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. See you on that next video.